Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Trudy here, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now today we are reviewing a wig from Myfirstwig.com. Now this is a company that specializes in quality wigs, especially for beginners. I'm definitely a beginner myself, so let's just put that out there. Now, jumping right into the box, it comes with this cute pouch that gives you all the necessities that you need to make your wig application as easy as possible. Now, first you get an instruction manual that pretty much tells you all the details about your hair and how to take care of it. You get a ragtail comb, you get some bobby pins, you get a elastic band that's going to help you to secure your wig a little bit more if you need it. And you also get two clips that I will definitely be using even when I don't have a wig on, because who don't need one of these? You also get a wig cap, and I like the fact that they gave me two. The color of the cap is okay. I'm not 100% sure on it, but I like the fact that you get two. But the bonus is the fact that you get a wig stand. Now, my wigs are all over the place, and this is going to help me to be a little bit more organized, so I really appreciate that. Another little bonus is this Ziploc bag that your wig comes in. Now I think this is going to come in handy when you're traveling, so your wig doesn't get knotted or lint all over it. I'm going to start off with the wig cap. Yes, it's not the cutest, but let's just start the tutorial.
So I'm pretty much going to start off by looking like I'm going to a swimming competition. And this is the stocking cap, and this is the color. It looks pretty nice. I can't really complain. I don't know if it's coming up a little bit too reddish or not. I am going to put a little bit of foundation on it. So now going into the bag. You always want to smell the hair. Now I didn't co-wash this hair or anything like that. I'm just taking it straight out of the bag onto my head. Now the net is extremely big, which it came like doubled or tripled, which I like that. I probably keep this for holding another wig. So here is the wig straight out of the bag. It smells good. It looks good, but this is what the lace looks like. Pretty transparent, or natural looking, I should say. It comes with two clips, one on the left, one on the right, a clip in the back. And it also has adjustable straps in the back. Put it on. Just line it up to see where I want everything to lay. The texture is silky. The hair length is 10 inches and the color is a natural hair color. The circumference is 21 to 22. The cap construction is a lace front. So I look kind of crazy. It needs to be flattened and all of that. Without adjusting anything, cutting anything, clipping anything in. It feels very snug and secure on my head. I must say that. Now I don't think I like this whole stocking cap because you can see it. I don't know if I should bring it back. Let's just bring it back a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit, that's better, right? Okay, let's clip the back in. And then, so the side clips aren't able to go into my hair because I have on the stocking cap. So it's just gonna have to stay like that for now. But as I said, it feels very secure. Like I can move it. It's not going anywhere. I look crazy, but it's well secure. So now I'm just gonna pull this back to clip the hair out of my face. Now I really like the fact that you get a comb, especially a comb with this metal handle. That comes in very handy when laying down your frontal. So the scissors I'm going to use is this very small detail. What is this? This is a tweezer man. This is for like your cuticle or something like that. I'm not quite sure what this is for, but it's very small, and I'm just going to take my time and trace the edge of the lace. So I'm going to cut it from the center first, and then do one half and then the other, just so that it's better. I feel like it's better when you work in section than just trying to do the whole thing all at once. You wanted to like follow the grooves and curves of your natural hair. So as you can see, I could probably take off a little bit more right there. So this is one side done already, and the hairline looks very natural. It could use a little bit more plucking. Now, one thing I'm noticing is that I feel like the knots could be bleached. They look a little dark. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're a little dark. So maybe when I have some free time, I think I will bleach the knots. From what I can see, they're not bleached. Oh, they have lace on the back also, so I gotta cut that off. Now, I kind of want to have this unit on for at least 4 days, so I think I want to go with the bow hold. I have the option of using the 𝐏𝐫𝐞, which looks like this, and you also have the 𝐏𝐫𝐞 in the black tube, which this like is more transparent, and then the bow hold. Now, the bow hold out of all three gives me the most hold for the longest. The 𝐏𝐵 glue, if I get in the shower and the steam and all that, it's just gonna come right off, so we're not gonna go that route. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did one side, this side, off camera, because I wanted to make sure that I know what the hell I'm saying. So this side is done, and this is what it looks like. So the bow hold, got it holding pretty tight. I'm not gonna drag it too much, because then, you know, I want that glue to set completely. Use one of these wooden spoon thing, you know, they use these like at the waxing salons. Yeah, get you a couple of these. I put a little bit of glue on the top. I'm just gonna trace my hairline. Glue should look like this, and now I'm going to put the lace back down. Make sure there's no folds in it. So this is where your metal comb come in handy. You just want to press it down, like just run it between the hair in like circular motion, just to make sure that it's being secured. Okay, she looks good. Should I do baby hair now? I think this is the part you do baby hairs. Every time I do baby hairs, I end up balding out my frontal. Comment below if the same thing happens to you. I'm still learning, so that's that. Little baby hair there. So I just grab a couple strands like that, and then I just cut like in a jagged way. Never a straight blunt cut, because then your baby hairs will look like baby bangs, not baby hairs. So to curl this hair, I'm using this Bellamy Nicole Guerrero collaboration kit. I did have a review on this, so I'll link it in the iCards if you want to check it out. It's a very, 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 very good curling iron, and we're going to turn it up to the highest temperature. Okay, let's start with the front. Ooh. Hot, hot, hot. All right, we're getting somewhere. Now it's looking alive. It does flat iron nicely though. I give it that. The hair itself is gorgeous. I just think on me personally, it makes me look older, and maybe I have to do like a half up, half down. Yeah. See, something like that would be a little bit cuter, but completely down, nope. Bring it all the way in your face like that. So the model, I see they wear it all the way on their face like this, which maybe that's a little bit better. Okay, so I think this hair, you have to be like prepped up, you know, nice flowy top or a nice sexy dress, back out kind of vibe, very sophisticated look. This is not like for like a t-shirt kind of day. I mean, you can if you want to, you can do whatever you want. There aren't any rules. But I think this is for like the everyday going to work kind of hairstyle. A bob just gives you that feel automatic. I'm just going to do a little spin so that you guys can see the back, because I realized I haven't shown you the back. I definitely feel a little bit older. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you want to see more wig or hair reviews, leave a comment below.
Okay guys, so I realized I didn't do a proper outro, so I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I'll leave the information on where you can purchase this wig. Feel free to check out their website. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll catch you in my next one.